Hey, welcome to the beersjackofbbq. Check out the Bratwurst sandwiches we made on the SNS Travel Kettle. Hey, I'm Craig, man behind the camera's Jack. These don't look like bratwurst, but my son-in-law and I, last year we made our own venison sausage, so we did it again this year. Got a recipe from Chef Johnny on some Italian venison sausages that we love. But this year we tried another one. We did, I think, 10 pounds of, just lost the name of the brand, but it's an onion and garlic bratwurst recipe just out of a package. PR, I believe it is the brand. I'll make sure it's in the description. But just use that, and when Sean came up to the house, he forgot the package with, so we just sent the mixed 30% pork, 70% venison with him. He did the mix up and just made patties instead. So here they are. So we're gonna just do these kind of quick on the SNS Travel Kettle. Got some good old American cheese, kind of my favorite. Got some rolls, a couple different mustards here. I know I'm gonna go with the yellow, not sure what Jack's gonna go with, but just gonna make some quick, great picnic food, sausage patties, but there actually is a kind of a bratwurst recipe. So we'll see you on the grill. All right, let's get these on. Just gonna throw them on the cool side for now, then I'll switch gloves real quick and put a... And we're just gonna kind of, like I said, roll these over the fire. They aren't gonna take long to cook. The coals aren't spread out quite as much as I'd probably like, but that's all right. We'll just, like I said, we'll mix it up as we go here. We'll just get things started. Gonna close the lid down for now. Let that on like a minute to 2 minutes. We'll see what happens. All right, so that's 2 minutes. Not a whole lot happening yet, but that's all right. See if it's worth even trying to flip these at this point yet. I say not yet. We're gonna go another minute here on this side. Like I said, I actually just opened the vents up a little bit more too to get the coals a little hotter as well. We'll flip it next time. All right, so that was just another minute. Like I said, we just wanted to keep things going slow here. There's no rush. My good spatula's in the dishwasher from this weekend. Open all the vents now so that we'll start to get some good heat going here. All right, so it was like another 2 minutes. See what we got going on here. Like I said, you can tell things are getting hotter. We'll hear a little bit. Still not quite what I'm expecting here, but I'll leave the grate open or the lid open, and we'll just see if I can't get some more heat on these things. All right, so there was another 2 minutes. We'll be here forever. Actually, you can start to see some action happening here. So you can see some browning going on and some of the juices starting to come out. So all right, there's another minute and a half or so. Like I said, we're just taking our time here. Almost done. You know, I didn't get as much color as I like to get on them. I did a quick probe read on them, and they're almost at 160 already. So that's way done already. So, and that was right at 10 minutes because I had my timer set for 10 minutes on my watch. So that just went off. I said, got decent color, but it's not great. Get the cheese on it now. Now we'll just let them cool, or let them melt down here. Then we'll be ready. We'll let that on. I'm gonna let that on a good 2 minutes there. All right, pull them off. Put them right in a roll. Throw in the cutting board. As always, cheers. Here we are, end of the cook. Had the SNS Travel Kettle out. Just did some really slow taking sausage patties. Actually, I realized Jack and my grill, we actually have them put together slightly different. His vent works opposite of mine. I have my vent closed, so I only had the smoke hole open, and that's why my weren't getting as much heat as I wanted to. But like I said, you learn all the time when you're doing something like this. I thought I was getting it hotter, and I was actually hurting myself, but still got done, still worked out. Like I said, this is some venison brats. Like I said, we had a starter pack that we use. This, like I said, I want to say the right brand, but I'll definitely have it in the description. I like their jerky seasoning, so I thought we'd try the brat recipe as well. And it turned out pretty nice. Like I said, we forgot the package and the casings when we did it, so Sean just took it home, made patties out of it, but actually I like the patties like this. So just add some cheese. I use the yellow mustard. I think Jack's gonna use the horseradish mustard, so let's cut into this, and I gotta take a bite. Looks good. So good. And that, like I said, the onion and garlic, when you just cut them out of the pack, boy, the smell you get from this is really excellent. Still like our Italian sausage, really good too, but we have patties. I'll make a bunch of these patties up and even the sausage links. I have them for different lunches, breakfasts, all kinds of things. So hopefully like we're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, get notifications, and we'll see you next time.